Sneaky steps and shadowy ways. Welcome to the lair where the code is crafty and the hacks are always ethical. Let's dive into the shadows. Hey, welcome back, guys. I am going to be going through the Precious Retired Machine on Hack the Box as part of the Intro to Red Team track again. Gonna be going through guided mode just to speed things along a little bit. I've already connected to the VPN. And I have spawned the machine. So the first thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and add this to my host file. Hosts. Just so we have DNS in place. You don't have to continuously either have to remember or copy the IP address. So make things a lot easier. I'm just gonna call this not previous precious.htb. I'll save that. And I'll ping it. Precious, not previous. Okay, so it looks like we're able to ping it. We'll just start out with recon using nmap. And then we'll get into answering the questions. Alright, so sudo nmap tag p tag tag v or tag vv tag capital pn tag capital t5 dash dash open. And we'll run this against precious. I cannot spell precious. I just keep typing in previous for some reason. Okay, so we're gonna run nmap as sudo. So that we can more easily create raw sockets and have a faster scan. I'm going to run this against all 65,535 ports. We're going to specify double verbosity and dash capital PN for a no ping scan, basically saying, hey, we know that this machine is up. Dash capital T5 is the fastest scan. Dash dash open will specify that we only want to print out open ports for the target, and then we have the target, which is precious.htb, so we'll go ahead and run that. So far we have port 80 and 22 open. Once we find out what ports are open, we will scan the specific ports to find out what services are running and what versions of those services are running on those ports. We can say that we have ports 80 and 22 open so far. Or actually it looks like those are going to be the only open ports. Running a SYN stealth scan. It's got about 8 seconds left. Then we'll do our versioning and default script scan against the specified ports. Okay, there we go. So I've got SSH and HTTP running. Now I'll go ahead and run the versioning and default scan against those specific ports. 22 and 80. Dash SVC, dash PN, dash capital T5. Dash VV, precious, not previous, precious.htb, and capital N, precious.nmap. And I believe that should be good. Okay. Okay. So we got port 22, running OpenSSH 8.4p1, Debian, or Debian, however you want to say that. Then we have port 80 running Nginx 1.18.0. Title of the website is Convert Web Page to PDF. Nginx 1.18.0 plus Fusion Passenger 6.0.15. We have HTTP methods, get, head, post, and options. And the OS that is running is Linux. Nginx is running with what additional software designed to serve web applications? I'm guessing this is probably Fusion Passenger. Yes, okay. Which HTTP response header reveals the underlying scripting language of the web application? Okay, so let's browse to the website, http://precious.htb. And then we'll inspect, network, reload. Okay, the question is, which HTTP response header reveals the underlying scripting language of the web application? I believe that's X powered by. No. Oh, response header. Oh, X runtime. The scripting language is Ruby. Okay. Which Ruby library are the PDF documents generated with? How do we figure that out? Hey, welcome in, you deaf. I am back after getting over an illness. Let's see, which Ruby library are the PDF documents generated with? How do we figure that out? Convert web page to PDF. If we inspect this. figure that out. Ruby library are the PDF documents generated with this. Maybe I just need to test this. What do I want to do? What web page do I want to convert to PDF? Cali.org, I guess I'll do. Oh, cannot load remote URL. Okay. Any remote URL? Well, that's stupid. Let's do this. Oops. Okay. Nano index.html. Save that. Serve this up. And then HTML. Okay, so there we go. We have our website. Served up and saved as a PDF. I think we actually need to capture the request though, with burp probably, so we can find out maybe in the headers what Ruby library is generating the PDF document. So let's go ahead and try this again. A web app uses JWT for authentication. How would you escalate privileges if the server either 1 does not verify JWT signatures or 2 allows the none algorithm? Sorry, Dev, I don't know a whole lot about that particular topic. Okay, so let's try this again. Well, I guess I don't have to get rid of this. Okay, so let me start up Burp Suite. Actually, I think Burp is broken. Not sure why that is. Because I haven't been able to get it open lately. This really does not help me. Huh. I wonder if I could... No. It just exits. Sudo apt install. Already the newest version. Every time I try to run it, it just exits out. Huh. Not sure why it's broken, but it is. capture this request then. Hey, welcome in, Furnos Sec. Do you have update Java alternatives? Is that an apt package? Sometimes you can switch between Java SDKs that are running on a system, i.e. switch to an older one that supports burp. Okay, that's the command I found for Debian systems. Okay. Oh, that doesn't seem to be a system command. Oh, whoops. Did I type that in wrong? Update Java alternatives. Oh, okay. Not sure what version I want, though. Update Java alternatives TACL. Okay. 1.23, 1.21, 17, 11. Dash dash set to change to a specified installed version. I'd go back to either JDK 17 or 21. Okay, I'll try 21. Update dash Java dash alternatives dash S. Java dash 1. Can't tab complete this, can I now? 0 dash open k dash AMD 64. Oh, after run this is sudo. JDK alternative does not exist. User lib JVM Java dash 2.1. What? Oh, do I have to specify the file? Let me try the file. User lib JVM Java dash 1.0 dash open JDK AMD 64. What? Oh, do I set it by the number? What is the J name? up. I think we got an ad going on, so... take a little break. Alright, I guess I'll continue then. Let's see. Let me try that. Oh. Can I just do dash A? No alternatives for JAOTC, no alternatives for RMic. I don't think there is a config option. Yeah, no, there's only list, set, and auto. Oh, well, maybe that kicked something loose because it looks like burp is working now. Nice. I didn't really think I did anything, but I'll take that. This is for update-alternatives instead of update-java-alternatives. Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay. Okay, so I'm serving this. I need to turn on my proxy. Okay, and then I'll submit this. I have a new PDF document. Go ahead and kill that. Open up burp. Go to the HTTP history. See if I can find out the answer to the question. The question is, which Ruby library are the PDF documents generated with? I think we'll probably find that in the headers here. No, maybe not. EXIF tool is a useful tool for looking at file metadata. Okay. Would not have guessed that. What is this? Oh, can I just do this? Yeah. Let's copy this to here. EXIF tool. I'm guessing it's PDF kit. PDF kit. Did I spell that wrong? It's not PDF kit? And now I get the ad break. Of course. I think the PDF generation is happening server side. Yeah. That's why I'm looking at the file metadata. Is this all the information I can get? Is there a man page for HTB? There is, okay. Let's see. I just want to read all the metadata. Let's see. Sometimes they can screw up the questions. Try the version instead of the name. Alright, I'll try that. No? Is it like dash dash all? I don't know. Is this all the metadata? PDF kit. Exif tool dash tags from file. No file specified? Exif tool dash list. It should print out all the tags. I don't know if that's really relevant though. I feel like the answer is PDF kit, but it's not. It's saying that's not correct. Oh, you know what it could be? I might need to refresh this because I was using the burp proxy. Maybe it will take it now? Yep, there we go. Okay, that's what I thought. I was like, it has to be this. Was burp on when you were trying to submit PDF kit? Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah! Goblin life! Ah!
Capture flags not feels followed your channel.
Hell yeah! Goblin life! Ah!
F3RN0s_sec followed your channel.
Thank you for the follows. Okay. Let's see. Which 2022 CVE applies to that specific version of PDF kit? Okay. Classic hack the box error handling, no response, wrong answer instead of network error. Oh, yeah.
Hack_smarter rated your channel with 19 viewers.
Hey, welcome in, Tyler and Raiders. Thank you for the raid, Tyler. How was your stream? What were you working on? We did the new You Got Mail machine on THM. Oh, nice. I am doing Hack the Box. I'm doing the Precious Retard machine. I'm doing it with guided mode to save time. Since I have a limited amount of time before I have to go to bed.
Hell yeah! Goblin life! Ah! Ah!
Nev3RWH3 refollowed your channel.
Thank you for the follow. Okay, so this 2022 CVE. I think it should be this.
Hell yeah! Goblin life! Ah! Ah!
DSON007 followed your channel.
Oh jeez. Thank you for the follow, DSON007. Let me get rid of this. Alrighty. So how does this work? Command injection. Package PDF kit from 000 are vulnerable to command injection where the URL is not properly sanitized. Exploit description. Ruby Gem PDF kit is commonly used for converting websites or HTML to PDF documents. Vulnerable versions less than 0.8.7.2 of this software can be passed. A specially crafted URL containing a command that will be executed. This exploit generates executable URLs or sends them to a vulnerable website running PDF kit. Interesting. $23 stars. There's also a exploit DB exploit for this. (2022) 25765. Yep. Which directory located in the running user's home directory is used by bundler to store configuration files? Okay, so I gotta get code execution first. So I'm gonna go over to exploitation. Okay, so I have this Python 3 script. So let's test it on PDF kit 086. And this, what was this? Oh yeah, okay, so this is the same version, that's good. Just looking through the code real quick to see if there's anything. I think this should be okay to run. I'm gonna go ahead and download this. And I'm gonna put this in here. Oops. I opened this up in a new window instead of a new tab. Da, da, da. I'm gonna rename this to exploit. Go over here. Python 3 exploit.py. Okay, Python 3 exploit.py. Okay, I want reverse shell mode. Provide local IP and port to generate reverse shell payload with. URL of website running vulnerable PDF kit optional. How's that optional? HP post parameter website running vulnerable PDF kit optional from the sub menu. Custom command mode. Oh, right. Okay. So I guess the local IP is the target then? Custom command mode. And command to generate custom payload with. Let's try this. Local port. 443. Oh crap. Wait, what? Oh, okay. So it creates a payload, and then I have to have a listener set up. Okay. Let me do this then. Cat echo P443. I guess I should just be able to paste this in here. Hey. Oh, okay, I get it now. This was supposed to be my VPN IP, so I'm gonna have to change this. 10 dot. I was thinking it was just gonna connect to the target, but I guess not. 10.10.14.2. Okay. Can I just submit this here then and get a reverse shell? Aha! Yes, I can. Sweet. I didn't even need an exploit for this then. I just needed to get a reverse shell and paste it in here. I didn't even need the Python 3 exploit. Okay. Well, we have code execution. Does this? I think this has Python 3, right? Okay, so import -c py. Oh, whoops. Python 3-c import pty.spawn /bin/bash. What? Oh, crap. Python 3-c import pty.spawn /bin/bash. Ah, there we go. Okay, and then suspend this, and foreground export term equals xterm. There we go. So now, if I hit Control C, alright, I've stabilized my shell now. Okay, so let's go to the home directory, go into Ruby, and the user flag is not in there. Which directory located in the running user's home directory is used by bundler to store configuration files? .bundle? Submit the flag located in the Henry user's home directory. Okay. What? Owned by root. I do not have read permissions. Crap. Okay. Let's look in this config. Aha! Here is a password. Switch user, Henry, password. Okay. User.text. Okay, so there's the user flag. Easy. Okay. Which command can Henry run with sudo without providing a password? Sudo tech-l. That right there. Okay. What is the name of the file that allows for user-controlled input to the update_dependencies.rb script? There's gonna be an ad starting here soon. we're back. The ad notifications don't seem to be working very well anymore. I don't know if there was like an update or something. Okay. Which is the name of the file that allows for user-controlled input to the update_dependencies.rb script? Let's see if we can just cat this. There's a reference to a particular file which is specified without an absolute path. Is it dependencies.yml? Ah, okay, it is. Okay. No such file or directory at rb_sysopen dependencies.yml. File doesn't even exist. Okay, so how do I escalate my privileges?
Hell yeah! Goblin life!
Kavini BF followed your channel.
Hey, thank you for the follow, Kaveen IBF. I could create this file and put a reverse shell in it, I guess. CD into opt. What is this? I guess the file actually does already exist. just create a new file. I just don't know if this will execute this or not. Oh, of course. I always do this. There we go. Echo. Oh, jeez. Did that work? No. How can I abuse this? Look at the machine info. Let's see. Precious is an easy difficulty Linux machine that focuses on the Ruby language. It hosts a custom Ruby web application using an outdated library, namely PDFKit, which is vulnerable to CVE 2022-25765, leading to an initial shell on the target machine. After a pivot using plaintext credentials that are found in a gem repository config file, the box concludes with an insecure deserialization attack on a custom, outdated Ruby script. Insecure deserialization attack. Let's see. Okay, privilege escalation. One of the first steps to take when enumerating a target machine is to check for potential pseudo privileges for a given user. In this case, doing so reveals a pseudo entry for a Ruby script. Okay, we know that. We check the source code to gain an understanding of the function of the script. Here, install dependencies with those specified in dependencies.yaml, require YAML, require Ruby gems to do update versions automatically. Define update underscore gems and define list from file, YAML.load, file.read, dependencies.yaml end. The script reads the contents of dependencies.yaml and later checks whether the specified versions equal those installed globally on the system. Running the script reveals an important bit of information. As we can also see in the source code, dependencies.yaml is referenced relatively, meaning there is no absolute path specified, which is why when executed, the program looks for the file in the current directory. Seeing as we have now verified that we can control this part of the code, we search for potential vulnerabilities in the YAML module, which is responsible for loading the file. Looking at the Ruby docs, we already find a reference to the security implications of loading untrusted data via YAML. This module provides a Ruby interface for data serialization in YAML format. Security. Do not use YAML to load untrusted data. Doing so is unsafe and could allow malicious input to execute arbitrary code inside your application. Please see docsecurity.rdoc for more information. A search for Ruby deserialization yields a popular repository, hosting an array of payloads useful for our practices. They are all bound to versions between 2 and 3, so we first check what version the target machine is running. Okay, so Ruby Tech V. Okay, we're running 2.7.4p191. Would appear that this version is vulnerable to the latter payload on the aforementioned repository, so we paste it into a dependencies.yaml file in the /temp directory. Okay. You cannot copy this, of course. Let's see. Let's open this GitHub repository. Which one of these? I believe it is this payload. Okay, so CD into temp. I think I'm just gonna serve this. Nano dependencies dot nano. Paste this in here. Save this. Set up my web server. Do you have get wget? Okay, yep. Okay, so that's there. Running the script verifies this theory as the ID command is executed successfully. Wait, so this will just call this from temp? Oh, right. It's because I'm running it in temp, I see. User bin ruby opt update underscore dependencies dot ruby. What? Why is it asking me for the sudo password now? Oh, it's because I misspelled this, that's why. Why is it asking me for the sudo password? Oh wait, that didn't get saved. I guess I can try to curl it. Jeez. Still didn't work for some reason. Can I not write here for some reason? What's going on? I should be able to write. Oh, wait a second. It is here. show up when I LS though, that's weird. Why do I need... Why do I need the password? Should be able to just run this without the password. What? Oh, I know what's going on. This is .rb. I don't know why I kept typing .yaml. That's why that's not working. Well, that doesn't work. Fairly certain these are the same. What? Now dependencies.yaml is not there anymore. Okay, that's there now. Come on. Crap. No implicit conversion of nil into string type error. What? Fairly certain this is the right cat dependencies. What? And the file is gone again. What is going on with that? Okay, so the file is there. I'm just getting a bunch of errors, though. Can now inject the same Ruby payload we used to get a reverse shell initially to get a root shell by changing the get_set tag in the dependencies.yaml file from ID to our payload. You set up a listener on port quad 4 once more and run the script again. We get a callback and have successfully rooted the box. The final flag can be found at root.txt. I can't get the payload to run though. I don't think I can write in this directory either. Yeah, permission denied. That's what I thought. It keeps wiping out my dependencies.yaml file. Not sure why I can't. Are these not the same? Oh, wait, the method ID. No, that's the same, right? Oh, wait, this isn't exactly the same. Is it? Kernel message ID. No, it is. So why is this erroring out a bunch of times then? not working. No implicit conversion of nil into string type error. Oh! Wait a second. This is working. Because here's the ID command right here. The ID command output. Okay, so we're not concerned with the errors. Okay. We can now inject the same Ruby payload we used to get a reverse shell initially to get a root shell by changing the get_set tag in the dependencies.yaml file from ID to our payload. And what payload is that? The same payload as before? And it killed my file again. And then I just need to change this to 10.10.14.2 and make this quad 4. Oh. Is there a Ruby reverse shell here? Yes. No, I don't want it to be URL encoded. I want it to be base64 encoded. Let me just copy it. And I'll do CyberChef. To base64. Copy that. Save that. Then I need to set up another netcat listener. Quad 4. Then I need to start this back up. Crap. Parse unknown, could not find expected colon while scanning a simple key at line 9, column 1. What? Okay, let's try this again. Reading not found. What is this? What payload are they using? Okay. Okay, let's try this. Oh! Yes! Awesome, there we go. And there's the root flag. There we go.
I'm such a bad hacker. Bad. Game over!
Intruder destroyed.
Okay, honestly not too easy for that. I didn't actually even need Burt's lead at all. Let's see. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna call it a night there. Thanks everyone for joining. Hopefully you learned something. I know I did every time. Hopefully I will see you Monday, is when I am planning on streaming again. Yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.